Hi, my name is Mariah Massa, and I'm an attorney here at the Nieves Law Firm. I want to talk to you today about what an expungement actually does here in California. In order to do that, what I need to start off with is what an expungement actually is here in California. And it's probably not what you're thinking it is, or at least what most of us think when we hear the word expungement. An expungement isn't something that is going to completely remove the history of your conviction. Instead, pursuant to California's Penal Code Section 1203.4, you are able to vacate your previous conviction and enter a dismissal on your record instead. It's very important to note here that if you were a good fit for a job, the fact that you were charged with a crime and it says dismissed cannot be a reason for a potential denial. There has to be more. They need to be giving reasons about your person, about who you are, about why you're not a good fit, about other things that you're not bringing to the job that candidates might. And so this is a big deal. And despite the fact that it still shows as charged, that word dismissed goes a long way, especially when applying to jobs. But that's not the only place it helps. This also is the case for when you're applying for housing or for education. And when those questionnaires are presented and are asking you whether or not you have a criminal record, you can now say no. And if these places happen to do background checks, they will see that the case was dismissed. The word dismissed goes really far. And so an expungement can be extremely beneficial in these three areas: your education, your housing, and your employment. However, does getting an expungement restore your gun rights? Now, here in California, there are certain crimes that you will be convicted of and you will lose your gun rights because of that. And getting a dismissal for those specific crimes does not automatically restore your gun rights. There are some other routes and other opportunities for relief, but unfortunately, a 1203.4 dismissal does not restore your gun rights. Lastly, there are still a few areas where you must disclose the conviction despite the fact that you have gone through with the expungement. And those areas are, first, if you're getting licensing with a state agency. Now, this is going to be contractor work or social worker. You're still going to have to put yes when you're applying for those positions. It's the same for if you want to apply for the California State Lottery Commission and if you plan to apply for any public office. So any of those applications, you would still have to disclose the conviction and write yes. If this sounds like something you want to do and it's something that you've been considering, please reach out to us here at the Nieves Law Firm. We would love to get in touch, so give us a call.